For this weekend trip, we decided to head towards the World's End Reserve on the Burra Creek. Located just under 2 hours from Adelaide, it's an ideal weekend getaway. Within 100 metres of our camp were some spectacular red cliffs, offering up nice photographic opportunities. Even in early December, there's still plenty of water around. Situated right on the Hyson Trail, there are lots of walks that you can undertake, or you can sit, relax in the peaceful surroundings and enjoy the river red gums. This is free camping at its best, with large campsites and plenty of space. The gully winds picked up in the afternoon, which gave us a nice temperature for sleeping overnight. With no checkout times and Adelaide only a couple of hours away, gives us time to do another hike in the morning before packing up and heading home. World's End Gorge is now one of our favourite camping areas, and we will be returning to this wonderful area anytime we feel like a peaceful, relaxing getaway.